everybody, welcome back to Cards by the Hill. My name is Jane Hill. So on this occasion we've got a Papermania Bellissima A5 decoupage card kit. Okay, this was featured in one of the card kit hauls that I did recently. So let's have a look at what we've got in this one. So we've got 2 sheets of die cut pieces, very pretty. We've got card insert in green, that's pretty. The card base in pink, that's really nice. And an envelope. Okay, so this makes one card again. We're going to go by what the picture shows. So we start with our pink card base. And pretty much starts with this die cut piece here of the dress inside a frame. So that's going on the front now. That's going quite far up because we need to leave room for the message at the bottom there. So let's stick that on. Hope you're all well, hope you're okay. Doing lots of crafts. There we go. All right, so that's the first piece down. So we're starting with A1, which we've got down. Then we move to A2, which is the frame itself being popped up. And this is going to make a really pretty card. And then the dress is separate. And the inside part of the frame is separate. So we've got to pop up the outside piece and the dress. Now they haven't provided any double-sided adhesive pads on this one again, so I'm going to have to go and get some and then we can pop those up. Okay, here we are. So we add some foam squares. I think 4 is enough. And get these popped up. Okay, so that's the first one going on. Let's try and marry it up best we can. There we are, there's the frame. The part we popped the dress out of is not an actual piece to use, so we'll discard that. And then the dress is going to be popped up. So let's put that on. This is in really pretty colours, this one. Okay, so you've got to tuck the little sash inside. Pop the dress up. And then we've got, oh, that was A3. Okay, so that's the frame popped up. Then we move on to A2, which is adjust the dress on the mannequin. So that's going on the inside now. Got to pop that up. This will make a lovely birthday card. Birthday card, greeting card, thank you card. Beautiful. Okay, so that's A2. Then we want A3, which is the top layer of the dress, which came out that piece of frame, which we don't need. So we're going to pop that one on. That's the third layer. Then we've got A4, which are flowers. That one there, and this one here. And those are being popped up at the bottom there. And at the top there. We've got another 2 A4s on this one. So let's get these 2 down first. Try and line it up as best we can. We've got another A4 here, which is the sash. That's going to have to go on the outside of the frame because we're running out of room. And then we've got 2 more flowers. No. Okay, those have got to come back off because these ones have to go on. We forgot about these. Or I forgot about these. So we've got to pop those 2 up. And the sash. And they do actually show the sash on the outside of the frame there. That's because we've run out of room. So this one goes on first. Then this one goes on. And then this one goes up the top. And then that one goes on. And we've got 2 little ones. And the sash to do. And that's all our pieces by the look of it. It goes down there. Just pop up our sash. that's all our pieces. Okay, so then it shows just for you on the bottom. So we want this green strip. Which is our sentiment. And it's on a piece of blue background, which is this little label here. I need to pop the dots out of it. A trusted skewer. Comes in very handy as a pokey tool. So that's going down the bottom now. Okay, and I think it's popped up, so we'll glue the just for you down. And don't forget, they don't come with any glue, double-sided tape, double-sided foam. None of that. Okay, we'll pop up just for you. We're nearly there. Onto our label. There we go. So that's the outside. You can see that. That's pretty much it. And then we've just got to add our sheet on the inside for a message. It's really nice, really nicely thought out, this one. So you could stick it down with glue or a piece of double-sided tape. I'm just going to glue it if it ever comes out, just to stick that inside. There we are, that's it done. It does actually overlap the card there, just noticed, as you can see. It does overlap. Let's see if I can push it in any further, as it's wet glue. No, it's still going to overlap. So that's a shame, but you could cut that down. Very pretty. Very nice card for somebody. Trim the edge off. And at the front. There we go. That's it done. It's another card kit tested. Hope you enjoyed the video. I want to thank you, as I always do, for your liking and subscribing. It means the world to me. Please continue to do so, and I'll see you on the next one.